What is good, my creative people? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, before we even start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Yellow Pop. These people at Yellow Pop are amazing. Today I want to show you kind of how you can find a space to make into your own creative YouTube space or editing space or just a space to loft around and chill around in. I'm also going to show you how I kind of built this new look in my office. All right, so first of all, you want to find a space. It could be a wall, it could be an office, it could be a room, whatever, a space that you can make into a creative space, editing bay, a YouTube space, or just somewhere to chill and have a vibe. Me personally, I have this whole room specifically for my office space. Why? Because I edit in here, I shoot stuff like this in here, and I just like chilling in here sometimes. Two, you need to make sure that you understand the colors. So if you're a video person and you're gonna be shooting in this area, then you wanna make sure that the colors are going to go hand in hand with how you color grade. So if my videos, I usually color grade a neutral, all white, maybe have a pop of color, maybe the skin tones pop and everything else is a little bit more desaturated. In this case, I built a grass wall in my office, and I like to make greens like desaturated so they look kind of like grayish blackish. I don't know, it looks pretty cool to me, so I decided I'm gonna build a grass wall in here. So a couple of weeks ago I was at my best friend's wedding, and this venue had a grass wall and a neon sign on it, and it just sparked my interest. I thought it looked so cool. It had a white neon light into the grass wall, and it just looked tight. I was like, man, I think I want to do something like this in my office. Also, I don't think I've really seen it done in like the video creator, photography creator world on YouTube, people's spaces. Haven't really seen one like that. I'm sure there is one somewhere, but I hadn't seen it, so I felt like it was something that could make me stand out. I found a video on YouTube where this woman was building a grass wall. I can't remember her name, but I'll link the video down below. Shout out to her, check her out. And I saw that she bought some grass panels, and they were like, what, 20 by 20 inches. And I was like, oh, that's a genius idea. So I did the same exact thing. So I got on the Amazon and I found some grass panels that I thought looked good and looked high quality, and I ordered a couple boxes of them just to try to fill this whole wall up right here. And I also got another brilliant idea from her as well, to buy a staple gun and use that to staple the grass panels together on the wall. Because when I move out here, I'll just pop the staples out and whatever, it'll get filled up. So I spent a little time putting up the grass wall, panel by panel, stapling them and trying to get them perfect, and eventually I filled up the whole wall. So I had to order another pack. So what I ordered was 2 6-packs. So it was 12 panels, 20 by 20, I believe. And I had this patch right here, and on the other side I had a patch at the bottom, and then I had all over there was a whole like half panel section down this whole strip of the wall. So I ordered a whole another box of 6. So altogether I ordered 3 boxes of 6 20 by 20 inch tiles. They came in, I just split the tiles in half to do that strip right there. Did that patch down there, did the patch here, and then I cut around the couch. Right here, I cut out a hole in the grass wall so I could plug up my R6 charger right there. Looks cool, right? Yeah, man, love this new green wall. This joint is fire. Back to the video. Now I thought that just looked cool as is, but I also wanted to order a neon sign. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and I found the perfect company. Now this video isn't sponsored by them, but I think that they are amazing. The company is called Yellow Pop, and I'll leave a link down below so you can go check them out. They make custom neon signs, any dimension you want, whatever color. They're lightweight. They give you so many different options. The place is just freaking cool. If you go right to the website, you can go down and start putting in like whatever text you want or make a custom inquiry. It's a super dope website to find neon lights, and I know that tons of creatives like neon signs. I'm personally addicted to lighting. As you can see, I got that light. I got so many lights in here. I've always wanted a neon light with either my name, my logo, or something dealing with me. So I figured, why not take the first part of my logo, creative, and just make it into a neon sign and have it up on the grass wall. I already saw it at the wedding. It looked cool. Let's do it. So I reached out to them, got an inquiry, got the neon light sent. I actually didn't even know it was here. I went and got it today, and I actually just finished putting it up on the wall. So within the pack, you get your neon sign, you get a baggie, you get the power cords, you can even order a remote if you want to. I actually was super excited about the packaging. It just looked so good when I was like unboxing it, so I had to film it, of course. It also came with this little pack with a bunch of screws in it so you can hang your neon sign up on your wall like a painting. So I just used the screws out of there, and I put the neon sign up against and kind of pushed it into the grass wall, and I just used a small drill from IKEA to to drill the neon sign into the wall. They have holes on it so you can do that. It looks great. Now there's only one step left, and that was to make this into a film set for my YouTube videos and just somewhere to kick back at. So after I mounted this yellow pop neon sign, I ran the power cord down behind the grass panels, behind this black couch behind me, and into a socket to power it. And then all you have to do is tap the on and off switch. It's a touch panel and it comes on and off. It's super easy and super cool. So I hope that this video gave you some ideas on maybe making a creative space in your house, maybe going and renting out a space and turning it into something creative with your personality. Maybe you want to do a grass wall, maybe you want to do black panels, maybe you want to get the walls painted. You can do so many different things. It's subjective and there's so many cool ways that you can make a creative space for yourself. But like I said, I hope this video gave you some ideas. If it did and you like this video, slap that like button and drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about this new creative set. And if you're new here, consider subscribing because we make cool videos just like this all the time. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.